What if the foods sitting in your kitchen right now could help keep your blood sugar more stable naturally? While no single food can cure diabetes, certain foods can slow sugar absorption, reduce blood sugar spikes, and keep you feeling full longer. Today, we're revealing the 10 best foods backed by science that may help stabilize blood sugar. And one of them surprises almost everyone. Most people know sugar affects blood glucose, but very few know that some foods actually slow digestion and improve insulin sensitivity. Stay until the end because the number one food has been linked with better long-term blood sugar control and is incredibly easy to add to your daily routine. Every time you eat carbohydrates, your body converts them into glucose. If digestion happens too quickly, blood sugar rises sharply. Over time, repeated spikes can make it harder for the body to use insulin effectively. Foods rich in fiber, protein, and healthy fats help slow digestion. This allows glucose to enter the bloodstream more gradually, reducing sudden spikes and helping you feel satisfied for longer. Remember, these foods work best as part of an overall healthy eating pattern and should complement, not replace, medical advice or prescribed treatment. But here's the mistake many people make. Even healthy foods can lose their benefits if they're prepared the wrong way. Apples are rich in soluble fiber called pectin, which slows digestion and may reduce the speed at which sugar enters the bloodstream. They're also packed with antioxidants that support overall health. Eat apples with the skin on and pair them with a handful of nuts. But apples are only the beginning. The next food keeps you fuller for much longer. Lentils provide an impressive combination of plant protein, fiber, and slow-digesting carbohydrates. This combination helps reduce rapid increases in blood sugar after meals while providing long-lasting energy. Coming up next is a creamy food many people avoid because it's high in fat. But research suggests its healthy fats may actually help reduce blood sugar spikes. You definitely don't want to miss it. If you're finding this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe. Avocados contain very little sugar while being rich in monounsaturated fats and fiber. Healthy fats slow stomach emptying, helping prevent rapid glucose spikes after meals. Adding avocado to salads, eggs, or whole grain toast can make meals more satisfying and support steadier blood sugar levels. The next food is one of the easiest breakfast swaps you can make. Oats contain beta-glucan, a special type of soluble fiber known to slow digestion and improve feelings of fullness. Choosing steel-cut or rolled oats instead of heavily sweetened instant varieties provides the greatest benefit. Top your oats with berries and seeds instead of sugar for a balanced breakfast. But breakfast isn't the only meal that matters. The next food can improve almost any lunch or dinner. We've already covered 4 incredible foods, but the next 3 are some of the most powerful. One of them is probably sitting in your refrigerator right now. If you're learning something new, let us know your favorite healthy food in the comments. Plain Greek yogurt is high in protein and contains beneficial bacteria that support gut health. Protein helps slow digestion, while choosing unsweetened varieties avoids unnecessary added sugars. Add berries or cinnamon for natural flavor without a large sugar load. Spinach, kale, and other leafy greens are incredibly low in carbohydrates while providing vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. They're easy to include in salads, soups, smoothies, or cooked dishes and can help increase meal volume without causing significant blood sugar spikes. The next food is tiny, but its impact is surprisingly big. Chia seeds absorb water and form a gel-like texture that slows digestion. They're rich in fiber, healthy fats, and plant-based protein, making them a simple addition to yogurt, smoothies, or oatmeal. The top 3 foods are often recommended because they combine healthy fats, fiber, or protein in ways that help support stable blood sugar. Number 1 may surprise you because it's inexpensive and available almost everywhere. Subscribe now so you don't miss our next video. Walnuts provide healthy omega-3 fats, fiber, and plant protein. A small handful makes a satisfying snack and may help reduce hunger between meals. The runner-up is a protein powerhouse many people already enjoy. Eggs are naturally low in carbohydrates and rich in high-quality protein. Including eggs in a balanced breakfast may help you stay full longer and reduce the urge to snack on sugary foods later in the day. Pair eggs with vegetables or whole grains for a well-rounded meal. And finally, the number 1 food. Beans earn the top spot because they combine soluble fiber, plant protein, vitamins, and minerals into one affordable package. Their slow-digesting carbohydrates help release glucose gradually. Whether you choose black beans, kidney beans, chickpeas, or navy beans, regular portions as part of a balanced diet can support steadier blood sugar and better overall nutrition. Now it's your turn. Which of these foods do you already eat regularly? Tell us in the comments below. Remember, no single food is a magic solution. Combining these foods with regular exercise, good sleep, stress management, and advice from your healthcare provider can make a real difference over time. If you enjoyed this video, don't stop here. Watch our next video. Thanks for watching. Stay healthy.